Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds Sony. And the first one is to check if your Bluetooth is turned on. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and if it's turned off, just turn on it. If you have iOS, you can make it at the Bluetooth. On some Android devices you have it at the control panel. So just open it and enable your Bluetooth here. And after that, tap at your earbuds. And we should have connection. Here we go. If it didn't help you, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case. And now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. So then you just remove it from the charging case and these earbuds will reconnect to your phone. We have connection. Cool. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these earbuds. So right here at the Bluetooth, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device. And after that, these earbuds should enter to pairing mode automatically. So we should see it as a device list. But sometimes it happens that you don't want to. I just check it again. Nothing. Okay, so then you put your earbuds to your ears, and right here at the back side, right here we have touch areas. You need to press and hold this touch areas until you will hear Bluetooth pairing. So now I put it to my ear and I press and hold at the both of the touch areas. Here we go. And now tap at your earbuds here. And also we have connection. We did it. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. You need to press and hold at the both of the touch areas until these LED lights just turn off. So press and hold on it. Firstly, it will flash, and you still holding it. Now you will see that it starts flashing. Here we go. But we keep holding it. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and after that you can remove your earbuds from the charging case, and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. And we don't need to remove and edit. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!